Welcome to the latest edition of Immunology Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. AstraZeneca's Imfinzi, or durvalumab, was studied with perioperative FLOT in the Matterhorn Phase 3 trial in resectable stage 2, 3, and 4A gastric or gastroesophageal junction cancer. The EU approved Imfinzi plus FLOT followed by Imfinzi monotherapy for adult patients, with statistically significant improvements in event-free survival and overall survival compared to chemotherapy alone. This development may influence prescriber choice and payer reviews pending full data. Novartis reported that Cosentyx, or secukinumab, received FDA approval for patients aged 12 years and older with moderate to severe hidradenitis suppurativa. The decision was supported by adult HS studies, pharmacokinetic modeling, and pediatric data from other indications, making it the only IL-17A inhibitor approved in this population. This may influence prescriber choice and payer reviews pending full data. Spire Therapeutics completed recruitment in the rheumatoid arthritis substudy of the Skywave Basket trial, while psoriatic arthritis and axial spondyloarthritis substudies remain on track, and the Skyline ulcerative colitis trial continues enrolling ahead of schedule. Week 12 top-line data from the Skyway RA substudy are now expected in the third quarter of 2026, earlier than previously guided, which could inform future clinical and payer discussions. Sun Pharma announced that the FDA accepted the supplemental biologics license application for ILUMYA, or tildrakizumab ASMN, in adults with active psoriatic arthritis. The submission is based on the Phase 3 INSPIRE 1 and INSPIRE 2 studies, and the agency assigned a regulatory action date of the 29th of October 2026. This introduces potential competition that may affect pricing and formulary access. GSK's Lynavoy, or linarixibat, an IBAT inhibitor, was evaluated in the GLISTEN Phase 3 trial in adults with primary biliary cholangitis and cholestatic pruritus. The FDA approved Lynavoy for this indication, marking it as the first medicine approved in the United States, specifically for cholestatic pruritus and PBC. This may influence prescriber choice and payer reviews pending full data. Johnson & Johnson reported that ICOTYDE, or icotrokinra, received FDA approval for moderate to severe plaque psoriasis in adults and patients aged 12 years and older, weighing at least 40 kilograms who are candidates for systemic therapy or phototherapy. The approval is based on 4 Phase 3 studies in approximately 2,500 patients across the ICONIC program and introduces a targeted oral peptide that blocks the IL-23 receptor. This may influence prescriber choice and payer reviews pending full data. Sonoma Pharmaceuticals launched a new over-the-counter dermatology product line under the Aquanil brand in partnership with Person & Covey for United States distribution. The Aquanil AD line includes a repair mist, recovery gel, and rescue serum based on stabilized hypochlorous acid microcin technology for sensitive skin. This could support streamlined treatment initiation and adherence through remote prescribing and logistics. Kali Therapeutics signed a licensing agreement with Sanofi for KT-501, a trispecific antibody currently in early-stage development for autoimmune disease. The deal includes $180 million in upfront and near-term payments, with potential milestone payments up to $1.05 billion, reflecting continued investment in differentiated immune mechanisms and pipeline expansion. Stay ahead in immunology research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting.